Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim, ladies, gentlemen, and especially the young golfers, Assalamu alaikum. And not a warm evening, a cold and chilly evening. And we are happy, in Multan to enjoy this chilly evening because most of you coming from Islamabad and other parts may be having this chilly evening, but here it is a rare phenomena. Anyway, first of all, I'm sorry that I got late 15 minutes because of some strike and you had to wait for that. I am really, first of all, thankful and my gratitude to Pakistan Golf Federation, Birigidiئر and the management of Pakistan Golf Federation for having afforded us this opportunity to organize this very, very special event at Rumanza. And as we all know that Rumanza is Faldo's design and signature golf course. So we were always looking forward for this event. And inshallah, in future, we are looking forward. We are already, in communication with Sir Nick Faldo, and he has assured us that he'll be bringing the Faldo Series main event in Pakistan, inshallah. And with this gratitude, we look forward with our, very deep association, of course, with the Pakistan Golf Federation and other federations and associations across the country to prosper this game of golf in Pakistan and provide, opportunity to especially to our youth to match up to the challenges of international golfing. And we are very proud that we have been able to establish Rumanza as a center of excellence in Pakistan. One of its objective is, of course, to bring international golfing to Pakistan, and which will definitely be good for Pakistan as a country, and Multan, DHA Multan, and Pakistan Golf Federation. When we will be very soon, inshallah, fall of this year, and then it will be a continuous activity that will have international tournaments in Rumanza golf course. So it will be not only good for us to have business. We are not looking at it as a business. We are looking at it as a sport because we want Pakistan to be known as a sporting nation, which we have traditionally been known for different sports. But this game probably didn't get its stature as it could have got. So with Rumanza and DHA Multan's contribution in this field, inshallah we look forward that with the umbrella of Pakistan Golf Federation, we will prosper together and take Pakistan to the international golfing map, to the peak, and bring laurels to Pakistan through our young golfers, especially through professional golfers and amateurs, those who have their passion to play not only golf, who have the passion to excel in this game. So this is the kind of vision we have, and inshallah we look forward for such more events.